Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am NK Joy Sweet. You are welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make the best white soup called OFE NSALA. As you can see, how delicious and yummy this soup is. Don't just watch my video without liking, guys. Drop me your comment and share me out. Share your girl out, guys. Support me by sharing. Remember, guys, there is love in sharing. Don't just screw my video. Watch this video to the end. Don't go away. Just stay tuned and carefully watch this video. I've listed all the ingredients I use. And in case you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, guys. Remember, the subscription is free of charge. All you need to do is to hit on the icon button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you will be notified. Also, kindly follow me on Facebook and my Instagram. My Instagram handle is nkjoysweet_kitchen and my Facebook page is nkjoysweetkitchen. Please, guys, if you love any of my recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And in case you have any question to ask, feel free, guys, to ask me. Just yesterday, my husband called me at his working place and said, "Darling, please, I want you to cook that finger-licking white soup for me." I was like, "Wow, which of this finger-licking white soup?" He said, "That soup that your grandmom taught you how to make. You know you are a good cook." Guys, this sweet is something else. Guys, this soup, my husband used to call it finger licking. This soup is another thing, guys. This soup, guys, will take you to another level of deliciousness. Guys, if after watching this video, just try out this soup, guys, you will come back to thank me later. Remember, there is love in sharing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Support your girl. Help me to grow my page on Facebook and Instagram. Help me to grow my YouTube channel. One love, guys. See you in my next video. And thanks to my wonderful late grandmom, and thanks to my husband for the finger licking soup. One love, guys. Bye.